Happy Friday. I'm Adam Nathan with Co-Enterprise in New York, coming to you with another story from the Snowflake data cloud. This is a story about Masha. She's the team lead for a small app development company. And right now she's in a conference room with the company's investors. It is not going well. About 40 minutes ago, doing one last final check on the app, it crashed. And 30 minutes ago, she figured out why. There was no data coming back from Redshift. 20 minutes ago, she realized that in the morning, her colleague, a data scientist, had blown away all of the data in the table and changed the schema. And about 5 minutes after that, she found out the colleague was having lunch with the investors while she was figuring this out. To recap, the data's gone, the schema's changed, there's no way to restore it from backup, and she has to stand at the front of the room and explain all this. I'm sorry, Masha, Friday is not going well. If you're a Snowflake user, you know about a feature called time travel. And time travel will let you go back in time to a specific moment or query ID so that you can restore the data and the schema of the table as it existed. So whoops, truncated a table, not a big deal. You can get home again. Even if you dropped a table, Snowflake will let you undrop it. I mean, it's kind of amazing. Anyway, Snowflake users, happy Friday. Your demo is going well. Your investors are happy. And for everybody else, if this is making you think about what Snowflake can deliver for you, let's talk on Monday. Have a great weekend.